All right, finally getting a little headway here on Patrick's 66 T-Bird. We did order a radiator from a vendor who already charged us, which they have now refunded us because, oh, that radiator is no longer available. Why don't you update your fucking website so I don't have money floating around? Anyway, so now I am draining his original radiator, which does leak. We're going to pull it out, right, Bernsey?
Flathead screwdriver.
We're gonna pull out.
Oh baby, we're definitely pulling out.
We're gonna pull this out, and then this is gonna go to Gary over at Bob's Radiator in the morning. I have 3 radiators to take him. This one's gonna take a while, and so is Tim's 69 Cougars radiator, Tom's 67 Grand Prix, which is Miss Amy, as our long-term viewers know her as. She has some little leakies on her radiator. I want to pull that first thing in the morning, early, and take it. And Gary is going to need to fix that while I wait, but that's just a repair. These are recores, obviously. So anyway, got it draining, as you saw. You know, we got lovely green coolant everywhere. I already got one transcooler line out. That one's rusty crusty. I need to pull the hoses off here, and then pretty much away we go. All right, everything's undone. We're just letting the last little bit of coolant drain out of the radiator itself. Yes, we do have our pan underneath there, so it's getting hot. We're not making a mess. But both hoses are undone, both radiator or transcooler lines are undone. Everything's undone, so this baby's gonna jump right out of here as soon as we finish draining. All right, so that was a fight, mainly because the top bracket, which is actually supposed to be part of the radiator and brazed on, well, the little threaded piece here is all jacked, the other side's all jacked. What else did you notice, Bernsey?
Oh, that's the other piece is sitting down there still.
Yeah, it came off. It actually came off the brackets. They're supposed to be on top and bottom. They're supposed to be braced to it.
We can take this and put it somewhere real quick, and we can show the AC condenser.
Yep.
So, give me 2 seconds, guys.
Ready? Got it. Careful,
Yes,
careful,
sir.
careful, careful. There you go. Okay, that's out. Then be my light man when you come back. Oh man.
It was holding something. Hold on, dude.
There's bolts. Yeah, there's bolts down in there. On these.
Is there bolts?
Yes, there's bolt here and there's bolt there. But that's supposed to be brazed to the bottom, and it's not.
Yeah.
Brazed and then retained with these.
Yep.
So grab I believe it's a half socket.
Socket wrench?
Oh, it is loose, but we need to have that to give to him anyway, so we have to pull that.
Okay, real quick, do you want to show the AC condenser?
Yeah, later up. Yeah, the condenser. Whew, that baby's seen better days.
Yeah.
We may want to discuss the condenser.
You pretty much touch this and be okay.
But it's
barely touched this
rotten.
and it just fell in it.
It's rotten. Okay, so we need to get him a condenser, so I'll spec that out as
Can
well.
you show the special guest? The
Special
helper?
guest.
Say hi, everybody. No? Okay.
No, all right. Well,
Half?
half.
Yes, sir.
Get those out, and I got to take that to Gary in the morning.